Thanks, Moose Toys, for sponsoring this video.
Good morning, class, and welcome back to Slime School.
Good morning, Miss Cray Cray. Good morning, Miss Cray Cray.
As you know, we had a little break during the summertime, but now we're back to business. Today, we're going to be learning all about the new Pikmi Pop Surprise Bubble Drops. This is a new Pikmi Pop Squeeze Ball Maker. Now you can create your own unique plush bubble squeezers with the new Bubble Drop Squeeze Ball Maker. With everything you need to make 3 custom bubble balls. Simply mix, fill, lock, and cover. It is so easy to squeeze. That's what we're going to be learning how to do today in Slime School.
Are you kidding? I love Pikmi Pops.
There's so many ways to mix and match, and you get 2 exclusive charms. There's also 2 exclusive characters included in each set.
I didn't know you can make your own Pikmi Pop bubble.
I'm going to show you how to make your Pikmi squeeze ball. After I demonstrate, you two will be taking a blind challenge test to see who can create the best Pikmi ball drop. And at the end, the student with the best grade gets to keep the Pikmi Pop squeeze ball maker.
May the best student win. Bring on, sister.
All right, so let's open up our squeeze ball maker and see what we have. This is super easy to unbox. Let's take out everything we need. So I have my instruction booklet that it came with. Let's take a look and make sure we have everything we need before we begin our challenge. Pikmi ball maker.
Check.
2 exclusive bubble drop onesies.
Check.
6 glitter fills with the glitter inside.
Check. 2
deco charms. 6 water preservative tablets. And 3 bubble balls. Look, they kind of stick together. Okay, students, it's time for your lesson, so pay close attention, or you can end up with a bad grade, and you won't win this amazing prize. And you'll also fail the class.
Oh no, I'm ready. I'm definitely ready. I hope I win.
Step 1, I'm going to take my turn key and put it into the top of my squeeze ball. Now I'm going to turn the key and take out the cap. Like that. Step 2, I'm going to put one of my water preservative balls inside. Step 3, I'm going to add a charm. Now, step 4, I'm going to attach this to my bubble ball maker. So it goes in like this. Next, I'm going to take this off. Next, I'm going to fill it up with water to the water line. Make sure this is turned into the closed position so all your water doesn't fall out. Now I'm going to fill this up with water to the water line. There we go. So next, I'm going to cut open my glitter. So I'm going to put my glitter in here. Now it's time to close up this ball. Now I can use this to shake glitter inside, and I can regulate how much I actually want. I think I want all the glitter, so I'm just gonna open this up and dump it all out. I like a lot of glitter. Now I'm gonna turn the position of my bubble ball maker to open. Now that it's filled up, I'm gonna turn it back to the off position. So I'm gonna hold the rim of the bubble ball, and now I'm going to unscrew this. I'm gonna put my cap back on top and use my turn key to secure it. Now I'm gonna slide my bubble ball off, and voila, I have a glitter squeeze ball. I'm gonna take one of my exclusive bubble drop onesies and put my bubble ball inside, like this. Here we go.
OMG, it really works. Can I see, please?
Sure, because this is actually going to be your onesie for the competition.
This is like the one in the store, but we can make it our own. Ooh, I want one too. Here, let's see this one. Thank you. It's so cute. I think this is a unicorn. And it has a pink sparkly ball in it to match the tail.
Okay, I have you girls sitting over here to make sure there's no cheating. Each of you gets 5 of these squeeze ball drops. You're gonna pick a glitter blindfold. Then you get to pick a charm. We have these cute little bubble balls and also some star charms. Then in the next round, you get to pick a color. After the final round, we're gonna see who has the best squeeze ball. Are you students ready?
Yes!
Who's gonna get an A in this class?
Me!
Who's gonna get an F in this class? Okay, perfect, we're ready. All right, we're gonna rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who gets to go first. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go. And go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
It looks like Naya, you're going first. Put down that blindfold. All right, I'm just gonna do a little mixing so there's no cheating going on. Okay. All right, Naya, pick your glitter. Ellie, it's now your turn to pick your glitter.
I'll choose this one.
All right, remove your blindfolds and see what you got.
OMG, this is so pretty. I didn't even know I chose this.
Okay, guys, this is a secret round. They're not gonna know which one is 1, 2, and 3, and they're gonna have to pick them. I'm gonna tell you guys though. Let's go. Okay, so this is 1, 2, and 3. So for this round, pick a number 1 through 3.
3.
Ellie, you pick a number.
2.
Okay, so Naya, number 3, you get the aqua ball.
Yes!
Ellie, you get the star charm.
Perfect!
That's right, because it's time to choose the color that will go in your water. Let's mix these up. All right, Naya, pick a color. Ellie, pick a color.
This is difficult, but I think I'll choose this one.
Okay, take off your blindfold and see your color.
Yellow.
Now it's time to make your Pikmi ball.
Well, this is actually gonna go good with the yellow dots on mine. Where's mine?
Okay, Naya, so this is part of your test to see if you remember all the steps and if you can complete your ball correctly. You did it, Naya. It looks really, really good. But I'm not ready to give you a final grade yet. It's now Ellie's turn. Okay, Ellie, begin.
Miss Cray, I'm all done.
I can see. Oh, I love your color combination. Green and pink is one of my favorite. Now it's time to judge these and see who won round 1. I love the color combinations on both. This yellow is looking a little green. Maybe should have used a little more or a little less. And Naya also used her preservative, but she forgot her charm. Now, On to Ellie. Whoa, this color combination's amazing, but she forgot her water preservative. Okay, who's ready for their grade?
I am.
All right, so I think you both did a great job, but I can't award you A+. Each one of you forgot one of the important steps. Naya, for you, is the charm, and Ellie, for you, it was the water preservative. So you both are getting an A- in this round.
That's so good. Thank you, Miss Cray.
Time for round 2, and I've added 4 more glitter jars. Ellie, it's time for you to go first. All right, let me mix these up for you. Okay, Ellie, pick your glitter. Don't open your eyes yet. Now, Naya, it's time for you to pick your glitter. Okay, take your blindfolds off.
Yay, I finally got this gorgeous pink. Yay, I got this beautiful flamingo pink. I got rose gold hollow.
On this round, we're not gonna do charms. We're gonna go straight to color. Blindfolds down. Ellie, the first bottle you touch is the one you get. They're right above down here. All right, that's the one you get. Now, Naya, they're right here. All right, and go. Oh, okay.
I didn't get to pick it.
Take your blindfolds off. Uh-oh. All right, Ellie, are you ready to make it?
Yes!
All right, here we go. Whoa, Ellie, that's gorgeous. Time to put it into the onesie. Whoa, look at those colors. Great job, Ellie.
This is so pretty.
It really is pretty. Okay, Naya, it's now your turn.
Miss Cray, I did it.
Wow, Naya, you did it. All right, that means it's time for grade number 2. Hopefully no one fails the class. Wow, both of these are really pretty. Naya, yours looks like gold water. And Ellie, yours reminds me of like a mermaid. I like them both, but there's one that stands out for me. I think the winner of this round who gets an A+ is Naya. The reason why I'm giving you an A+ is because Ellie has a bit of an air bubble in hers, and Naya's is just right. There's no air bubbles. Look at it. Wow. But Ellie, you do get an A. Remember, the winner's gonna win the ball maker. Now it's time for round 3, and that is the final round. Hope you get a good grade. Okay, blindfolds down. Now, on this round, you girls are gonna be choosing your glitter at the same time. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
Let me take your hand and go. Take your blindfold off.
I get these pink and purple stars.
Now we're bringing back the charm jars. In this round, you're gonna rock, paper, scissors, and whoever wins gets to choose the charm of their choice first.
Rock, paper, scissors, or shoe.
Ellie, you get to choose your charm first. So what is the charm of your choice?
I say these golden balls.
All right, Naya, which charms are you gonna choose?
I'm gonna choose the stars.
Okay, I have your final Pikmi Pop ball drop. Both of these look really good. I mean, they're just stunning. It even looks like you colored the water. Like you colored yours gold, Ellie. And yours purple. That's so crazy. I feel like one of you did a better job than the other, but there can only be one winner. And I'm gonna make that winner because she used the charms that matched her glitter. I mean, it's really hard. Naya, you won this round. You get an A+. That means you get the Pikmi Pop maker.
Oh man, I really want one too. I love Pikmi Pops.
Well, Ellie, I kind of have good news for you. These come out in August, and guess what month it is?
August?
So, because you were a good player and you weren't a sore loser, you're gonna get one too.
Yay! Ellie, I would have shared with you anyways, But at least we each get our own one now. Woohoo! We're gonna make Pikmi Pops all day. Woohoo!
The important part is you both got a good grade on the test and you both passed. Hopefully you can pass next week. Okay, now it's time for recess. Who's ready for a little Pikmi Pop recess play? Come on, let's go guys. Get your